WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. So is Wolfspeed stock a buy? I am going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Looking at Wolfspeed, it is that it's just kind of melting sort of down, 6% correction for Thursday's performance. My overall bias was bearish ever since here, and here's the proof of that. Now, it's not just this, you know, for example, this video was made 8 days ago, but I've been bearish since it's $10, and you might think I'm over exaggerating, but this is why I have my video here. You can see like right here, it was around December last year, 10th of December last year. Yes. And since then, it's been melting for me. And I've been so fine and correct in this. Even cut like a small little long. But the likelihood that we keep delivering low lows is higher. Like for me, if you're like, but Mr. Sicko, when are you going to be bullish? Because probably you're not going to be bearish forever. Well, there's two things. One, big catalyst, or two, just a proper break about 430, 420. And we're far away from it right now. I mean, it's very subjective, but do your own due diligence. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.